We don't need to. What is up, guys? It's Lizzy from Life as Charisma, and I'm here at the beach with my friends. And I'm just gonna, this is basically gonna be a vlog video, but enjoy and hit that like button if you want to see more videos like this. Okay, bye! About to jump in. Smile, guys. A few hours later. Alright, so we've been swimming for like the past hour, and now we're just gonna go over to the splash park over here and have fun. Worst. Katie's being a very, very bad walrus. She splashed me in the face about like 7 times. Katie, you are a bad walrus. Look at the camera! Alright, so now we're gonna go back to the pool again. This is Lauren. Okay, so yeah, we're going back now. And yeah, okay. Alright, now Katie is going to demonstrate what it means to be a truly graceful whale. Alright, Katie, go.
You gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey. You gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your
That is the plan.
Alright, now we're getting ready to go to the beach.
Get ready.
Alright, so we're at the beach and the waves look awesome for boogie boarding, so I'm gonna get out there. Woo! Good job, Katie! Woo!
I have everything. We blocked on the screen. I have everything. We blocked on the screen.
I find you in the mist, in oceans deep, my faith will stand.
Now we're back. We're all really tired from the beach, so we're just gonna relax in the pool for a while.
I'm a graceful whale.
Indeed.
Indeed.
So we're gonna go to Starbucks, and we're both like so tired right now. So yeah, okay, see you there.
Peace.
The quest to find Starbucks struggle is real.
Find out.
Oh my god, they're base kids.
A few minutes later. Eventually. We searched long and hard, and now we have come to Starbucks. Alright, so that's it for this video, and hope you guys enjoyed, and we're heading home now with our Starbucks, so yeah, okay.
Except us.
Okay, okay, yeah, bye.
You lift me up, fill my eyes with wonder. Forever young in your love, freedom's untainted. With you, no moment is wasted. Be the sun now, burst into the clouds, black and white. Touch the color all around, all is new in the sacred I have found. This is living now. This is living now.